Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is a different one. I always keep making lehenga reviews for you guys. I'm gonna make a saree review, and that too, product that I'm gonna show today is not bought with my own money. Someone has sent me saree to get it reviewed, and she did see my previous video. She loved the honest review, so I was really honored that she felt that I was capable of making something for her. Very young, in her college, and she has started her own venture that's like her own business. She is selling lehengas, sarees, suits, and even western wear. So I would definitely recommend that we should support the newcomers. We should support someone who's trying to make it big for themselves, because we are going to buy some stuff for coming festivals like Navratri, Durga Puja. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. She has her own website. She has a Facebook page from where you can order, and she does even have her WhatsApp number, so there you can always message the kind of thing that you're looking for, any kind of suit, lehenga, or any kind of stuff that you're looking for. If she has, or if you like anything, you can definitely order from her. Prices are quite affordable on her website, and I did find that the saree that she has sent me is also very reasonable for the quality, and we're gonna check that out. It's not going to be a biased review. If she has sent me the product, I'm gonna give my own honest review about the product. So let's get started. So this is the packing in which I received the order. It did take a little bit longer for me to receive. I mean, I'm in Bangalore and she's in Bihar. From there she sends the product. Packing was very nicely done in a very secure package like this one. Actually, I have made it a little, gucchu muchu maine kar diya iska, because I did open it first. I didn't want to give like an instant review. This is how the saree was sent to me, and after that, when you open, this is the saree. And I'm going to show you step by step. So this is the border of the saree, which is going to come like down, and see the pallu. So this is the pallu that's going to come like that. This is the embroidery that it has. On this side also it has the same embroidery and same style, and on the bottom side it has this kind of heavy embroidery work. The material of this one is georgette, and very soft and nice material. I'm going to show you the close-up. This is a peach saree with this kind of border, and this thing is going to come like that. If you see in the back side, it has a very clean stitching, beautifully with a peach thread, not the white thread that normally you do get in a lot of products, but this one has the same color stitching, so it makes it look beautiful from the back side. Take it out. I'm going to tear it out like that because it's attached. So this is the cloth that comes with it, which is a golden shimmery cloth. Nice beautiful cloth with a lot of shimmer in it, very festive, and the quality of the cloth is very nice. This is how this looks. जाओ यार उसके website को check out करो, उसके Facebook page को check out करो. इसमें कुछ नहीं है. I'm not getting any commission. You guys, to support someone जो अपना कुछ नया करना चाहती है. Not about sympathy or something. I really did like the saree. I did like it for the price, because I paid I didn't pay. Means it is only for 1349 rupees, and with the quality and everything, I did love the saree. So I wrap up my video. If you did like it, do like this video, do subscribe to my channel, and do take care. I will see you in the next video. Till bye.